Hi, in this video I will show how to use desktop application for converting JSON files into web pages. On my computer I have a JSON file I want to convert. This is state JSON. I can open it with Notepad just to show you what is inside on it. Inside is like hierarchical structure with US states and following columns like state name, state code, region, subregion, and it contains information about all states from Alabama to Wyoming, and I want to convert this information from this JSON file into table and present it on a web page and put it on my website, for example. So in order to do this, I will download application from my website. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find the application, I'll click on search and type JSON, and then click on JSON converters, and then click on JSON to HTML and click on the download button to start the downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. But just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step, I will have to select my JSON file I showed you previously. So I'll click on this button to select input file, find my state JSON here and double click on it. I can add more files if I want them to be presented on one page. I'll click on next step. Here on this step, I want application will ask me which columns, which information I want to convert to HTML. Sometimes JSON contains a lot of service information or information into different fields that I don't want to convert to HTML. So here I have an opportunity to select only columns I would like to convert. So I can click, for example, if I want just 3 columns, just for testing purposes, and click on next step. On final step, I just click run to start conversion, and it will ask me for name and location of this file, output file, HTML file. So I'll just click save, and then you can see file has been saved, and then let's go and see file. So I can double click on it to open it into browser, and you can see it's flattened JSON structure into table and presented into like every element from JSON as a column and all states from Alabama to Wyoming in one table. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. I'll be recording more video on JSON converters and on different data formats and on how to work with different formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.